How to link YouTube account to Discord. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Discord application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Again, at the top right corner, tap on the gear icon and open up settings. Now scroll down a bit. Now under devices, tap on connections. Now tap on add. Now scroll down a bit and select YouTube. Now select your Google account. Now select your channel. Now tap on allow. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.